guys, here's a Subaru Outback 2000. It's 80 degrees here in Seattle. So today I'll show you how to replace the PC valve, how cold. I have another one here, a different one. I just use a brake cleaner to clean it. So the PC valve, you see, you have to use like a tool to take it out. I'll show you in a minute what kind of a tool. You see, that's the one here. It's the PC valve for 2000 Outback from 2004. You'll see it. You can hear that one. So I use the brake cleaner to clean it. Okay, so I'll show you which tool you have to use to take it out. And it's located exactly under here. This is the engine, 2.5 engine. And you'll see where it's located exactly here, that one. But in order to take it out, you have to take the hose out, and there's a clamp here. Take that out, and then use the socket number. Mine is 3.4. That's the size to take it out, 3.4. See you guys, have a good day, God bless you. So that's the one. Show you the way to locate it exactly under spark plugs here, wires. You see mine is full of oil. That's not good. And it's a little bit hard to take that one out. The hose is kind of stuck here. That's it. You have to take those out. And when you put back, it's very important to tie it well. And that's it, guys. Have a great day. This is changing the PC valve 2000 Outback, Subaru Outback, from model from 2000 to 2004.